Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Yuslia Safitri. I'm from class 4D. I want to talking about students' response on learning in the early COVID-19 pandemic. The coronavirus disease COVID-19 pandemic forced many universities to implement online learning, so that online learning using WhatsApp group were the most effective in the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. WhatsApp is easy, simple, and doesn't require alert data quota packet. Through a WhatsApp account, learning takes place optimally because students and lecturers can communicate and share PowerPoint files, Microsoft Word files, GPH, voice notes, videos, and links to other learning resources. So far, the study of e-learning tends to discuss learning models based on three perspectives. First, studies examine the issues of online learning as new learning media system and correct the implementations of more effective learning. Online learning media is likely to realize more satisfying service to students. Putrati 2013, Lister 2014 share similar talks that online learning involves choosing components that help improve student learning and allow students to engage with the content. The research shows that there are four primary considerations in designing online learning. Number 1, learning structure. Number 2, content presentation. 3, collaboration and interaction. And 4, timely feedback. Second, online learning studies to provide confidence for students in access learning material level, the need for internet use driver and development of teaching material development based on subjects and leads to final product creation in a material form. So it's only online learning. Students tend to access to learning material in the form of lecture slides, video lecture, joint assessment, and form essays. Students with different goals, motivation, and preference can be show different behavior when access this material. This behavior further difference may affect learning performance. From the studies show that first, students see learning material related to lecture and classroom. Example, lecture slides of videos lecture longer and more frequently than other learning materials. Example, joint tasks and set messages. Third, studies that pay attention to the problem that online learning is complement that combines several that best aspects in the conventional learning, face-to-face and online information, and based on communication technology study. This learning equips students with knowledge about how to give practical and realistic opportunities that are in line with from the blended learning. In view of the development technology and communication, online learning trend is increasing by day by not leaving the face-to-face discussion room first. Blended learning is a combination of supporting online and offline learning, deep, meaningful learning without abandoning traditional values educational institution. Thus, it has the potential in increased effectiveness and efficiency of learning experience with advanced technology. Factor and the define online learning during COVID-19 pandemic. Educational institutions should support government policies in deal with circumstances and situation due to the COVID-19 pandemic, with leaving them no choice but to take online application-based learning, so that this global policy has led all education institutions to carry out learning with online system. campus sterilization, schools lecture, and students like in or not, and they have to do online lecture. Together online study discussion, the university community is also trying to prepare Wi-Fi signal availability and internet data quota packets. Become indispensable in implementation online learning is preparing online tools and applications that can be easily accessible and faculty and students. Obstacle in online implementation learning is the availability of Wi-Fi and its data pools, quota package students who are economically and financially limited or those who geographic location with weak internet signal. Can you imagine if there are a course and all online system with different media and application that how much is the data quota required package? Limitation of Wi-Fi and data pools or other factor that must be considered in the implementation on the learning. In this case, the effort campus IT team trying to find breakthrough from sponsor from both vendor offers 30 GB tool free over and service for this online learning activities. Students of complain about limited data plan X facility from vendors and also limited to official campus sites. Also, many lecturers use other apps that don't accommodate by free facilities from vendor from campus media center for information technology and database.